We are gonna make butter from one ingredient.
What is that? Just
Whipping cream.
You're gonna make butter.
Yeah.
Actual butter.
Yep.
I don't get it.
That's all it is, just whipping cream. I mean, it could just be whipping cream if you want, but a few minutes longer and it'll be butter. It's gonna be butter and buttermilk.
Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah, buttermilk's great in coffee and biscuits and pancakes, everything. It's like a little science experiment.
No, it's so cool.
Oh, there we go. Uh-oh.
Is it supposed to be on high?
Yeah, it's supposed to be on high. Whoa. Calm down.
It's like everywhere.
It's
Look at
totally everywhere.
that.
Whoa.
Gee. Oh, yeah, you hide. Look at everything.
Oh my god.
Now, is that the milk?
Yeah, that's the milk.
Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna get rid of some of this butter.
Oh, wow.
Look at that. It's total butter.
Oh, wow. That is amazing.
So I am gonna take this off for a second.
Hold on. That looks amazing.
Look at that. And that's buttermilk. And you could use that for
That's
biscuits.
crazy.
It even tastes
Is that,
great in
that's
milk.
Actually,
I'm sorry,
oh, wow.
coffee.
Look at that.
Right?
That's crazy.
And this tastes great in coffee too if you've ever used buttermilk in there.
Now that's actually, that is
Buttermilk.
milk.
It's buttermilk.
Buttermilk, okay.
Buttermilk. And you could freeze this as well and then just use it anytime. But we're gonna remove all of this because it would spoil faster. So we're gonna put this back. It's a little messy. That's about good. I think I can go with that. There is
It looks good.
your butter. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to salt it. Here's this yummy buttermilk.
Yum.
Get all this out. This is totally butter, but there's no salt in it, so we're gonna add salt to it. And this is butter.
Good though, actually.
I'm gonna add some good flaky sea salt to it. Very salty. Still a little.
No, it's perfect. It's good. This one's good.
And then, you know what? I'm gonna make some compound butter. I'm gonna add a little bit of parsley. I'm gonna add a little bit of dill. I'm gonna add a little bit of chives. A little bit of mesperette, this little French seasoning, and a little bit of smoked paprika. Oops, for a lot. And some fresh pressed garlic. And this is great on seafood. It's also great on steaks. This is stuff that you would buy. You'd pay so much money for this in the store. Here's one. I add a little bit more Esperit. And this is just, it's so good. Butter!
It's good.